MeghalayaPost.news.
Myntri Sorkar Conrad Kisangma Ubadeiru National President ke National People's Party NPP ulapan kesan bakade ke NPP na Pdeng baro kisang san perthai jong kejela kibla lej markmat bat ke Sorkar Pdeng ban penpau ke jing sokya halor ke jing tumu ban wanra jing kela haga Foreign Contribution Regulations Act FCRA haba crunch kilat pathai kubor u Conrad layatu banadu kisngi ningkong habayo kubor ba ke Sorkar Pdeng ketemu wanra jing penkela haga FCRA ulalu Iaki Nongialam ke CBCI ban Kynduh Myntri Sorkar Pdeng ukiran rijiju hadelhi Conrad ulai turu bakum Myntri rengba kajela ulai lamru ika kenhun sedelhi ban Kynduh Myntri ketenat kampo ieng ke Sorkar Pdeng Amit Shah ban penpau ke jing sokya halor ke FCRA ngam kenma bandon kiwei kisang san perthai kamtam napo Meghalaya kibla lej shua ke NPP ban Kynduh Iaki Myntri Sorkar Pdeng ne ka Sorkar halor ke ni kaman ngadap da ka jingkemen baka Sorkar Pdeng kelara ban pa ke FCRA she ke Joint Parliament Committee ban ngakermen baka committee kansala ban penbej ke jing songkya jong ki babun balang kentup ki kenhun niam bapher Myntri rengba ula ong bau kermen baka Joint Parliament Committee kan sala ban wat kilat kilenti ban pentikna baka FCRA kan la ban perking ya jingbei tengka na bari par hakaju kapor kan pentikna ru baka nom pentut iki kamba bahang balale da ki kenhun niam bapher
So when the bill was initially tabled, you will recall that NPP was in fact the only party that took up the matter at that time with Mr. Kiran Rijiju. And I had led a delegation of the CBCI, including the President and Secretary General of CBCI to Mr. Kiran Rijiju's place. Even after that, I don't recall any other political party taking up the matter directly with the government and the cabinet ministers. After that, I had again taken another delegation from Meghalaya to the Honorable Home Minister. And post that move, then we saw other chief ministers and other parties and everybody move. So if there was any political party that took up this issue first, it was the NPP. And it's not because of any political point. It's just that we have a lot of closeness with different organizations, and when this information came to us, being concerned about this, we immediately reacted and immediately took the delegation. We are very thankful to the government that it has been now forwarded to the JPC, and we are hopeful that all the concerns that are there from different organizations and different churches as well as other religious organizations also will be heard and will be addressed, and we will be able to find a way again to ensure that the balance of regulating foreign currency at the same time not impacting the good work being done by a large number of institutes, this balance has to be maintained, and both sides should come out clear and should be able to achieve their objectives of, as I said, regulating foreign currency and at the same time allowing the ease of work when it comes to good work that's happening to these agencies to continue without any major problem.
MeghalayaPost.news.